Do you know 90% students regret after their board exams? Not because paper tough था, not because teachers ने नहीं पढ़ाया, but because they knew they could do better, but they didn't. Right now, you are also standing at the same point. This moment can decide your next 5 years. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Brain English Studio. If you are a standard 10 student, this video is not just motivation. ये एक wake up call है. So don't skip because maybe this video is exactly what you need today. Let me ask you something. How many times you said that कल से seriously पढ़ूंगा, but कल कभी आया ही नहीं? फ़ोन उठाया, रील स्क्रॉल की, 1 minute, 10 minutes, 1 hour, gone. And then guilt. यार टाइम वेस्ट हो गया. But next day, same cycle again. Listen carefully. Boards are not just exams. They are your first real taste of discipline. ये सिर्फ marks नहीं होते. They decide your confidence, your stream, and your future opportunities as well. And the truth is, average students don't fail because they are weak. They fail because they are inconsistent. Now, close your eyes for 5 seconds. Imagine this. Result day. Your friends are smiling, parents proud, teachers are appreciating you. And you? You are also smiling. Not because paper easy tha, but because you gave your 100%. Now, imagine opposite. Result day. Regret. Silence. काश थोड़ा और पढ़ लेता. Which one do you want? Let's be real. You don't need 10 hours study from day 1. Start small. बस consistency चाहिए. Because success is not about one big effort. It's about small efforts daily. From today, stop saying I will try. Say I will do. Because toppers are not special. They just made one decision. No excuses. And you can do the same. Remember this line. Pain of discipline is temporary. Pain of regret lasts forever. Your future self is watching you right now and asking you, are you serious this time? Or again just thinking?